Hey guys, and today I am in my bedroom again. But last time I was in the bedroom making a video here was when I did my remote collection. But I'm in the bedroom again, and to show you my Lego fire door. Here it goes up. I'll get an outside view of it. And one interesting thing is that when it is here, then it wants to fall 1 or 2 panels down. This time it fell 2 panels down, and then sometimes it's not balanced at all. It depends on the position. It doesn't always happen in the same position every time. Not every time it happens that's unbalanced, but sometimes it does. And right here it wants to stay, and right now it's, because of the position right now it's unbalanced. Now it's balanced, and right here it wants, this time it fell straight down, and again it did that, and right here it wants to fall 1 panel down, and then right here it wants to fall a half panel down sometimes, like the last other times it wanted to stay like right now it is. And for the next video of the Lego door, I will do a time-lapse video. I'll try to do a time-lapse of uninstalling this door and reinstalling it. And I'll try to get you a header view of it. Oh, a panel came off of it, but I'll show you how to put it back on. There we go, but I'll try again. But I'll try slowly opening it. So there you go, guys. There you go, guys. Check back on Tuesday or Thursday for my next video, and that is going to be the difference between the 893 LM and 893 Max, and I will post that on YouTube. I said I would post it on YouTube on Tuesday or Thursday. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, and if you liked the video, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Also, make sure you smash the subscribe button. So, bye, and have a great one.